Hypoglycemia, stop it now the easy way. In this video we're looking at how to stop what can be a really serious health problem, hypoglycemia. It's a condition that can be prevented. Prevention is always better than cure. However, you can also use it if you are in a hyperglycemic state. I have a disclaimer warning that I'm not a doctor and I do not give medical advice, and this is for informational purposes only. First, what are the signs of hypoglycemia? If you're suffering with hypoglycemia, which is when your blood sugars stay high, your blood glucose tends to build up in the bloodstream. So if you're feeling weak or unusually tired, go to urinate more often, have increased thirst or blurred vision, first things, you should visit your own doctor to be checked out if it is hypoglycemia. Then this video will explain a way to help which can help with so many health conditions, but it's fantastic for hyperglycemia. Yes, it is using a type of diet, and it's one that will benefit so many other health conditions and problems that we can have. So let's get on with it. And for those that suffer with type 2 diabetes, then it can even reverse this, completely get rid, or actually prevent you from getting it in the first place. So keep watching to find out some more. For centuries, people with type 2 diabetes have been struggling to manage their condition. However, a recent study suggests that a ketogenic diet may be the key to managing the disease effectively. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to help reduce the symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Now, the diet was first developed in 1924 by Dr. Russell Wilder at the Mayo Clinic as a treatment for epilepsy. Now, the ketogenic diet is also used to help manage type 2 diabetes, as we said, the whole point of this video, Alzheimer's disease, certain cancers and other conditions. They can all benefit from a ketogenic diet. It works by lowering the levels of blood sugar in the body to a very low level, which causes the body to use stored fat for energy. In this video, we'll look at the ketogenic diet in detail and discuss the benefits it has for people with type 2 diabetes. How the ketogenic diet works for type 2 diabetes. If you're a person with type 2 diabetes, you need to keep an eye on your blood sugar levels on a regular basis. The ketogenic diet is a very high fat and low carb diet, as we've said. It's been proven to be effective for managing diabetes. It's essentially a way of controlling blood sugar levels by mimicking the way your body burns carbohydrate for energy. When you follow the ketogenic diet, your body becomes metabolically adapted to using fat as its main source of energy. This in turn helps to control your blood sugar levels and reduce the need for medications and insulin therapy. So, what is the ketogenic diet? The main goal is to switch your body over from using that glucose to using ketones for energy. When you follow the keto diet, your blood sugar levels will stay stable and will be able to lose weight without experiencing any negative side effects. Understanding high fat in the ketogenic diet sense. You see, when you're on a ketogenic diet, you are limited to a number of certain net carbs. I think it's important that these net carbs are not found in processed foods. You need to be staying away from processed foods, ones that contain sugar and other carbohydrates. Now, high fat foods such as meats, some dairy and full fat sauces, the processed meats that is, are a complete no-no for ketogenic diets. We should be looking at natural meats, nothing with things added. When you're following in the keto diet, make sure to include a lot of high fat foods, and this is what a lot of people don't quite get. You've got to eat those fats and make sure that you get all the nutrients and vitamins your body needs. Now, the effects on blood glucose. When you're on, say, the keto diet, your blood glucose levels will fluctuate quite a bit. This is because your body is starting to shift from using glucose as its main energy source to using ketones instead. So there is a transition period, a bit of unsettling for some. It is important to keep in mind that your blood glucose levels will eventually stabilise and trend towards, or downward should I say, as your body adjusts. In the meantime, it is important to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and adjust your keto diet accordingly. This ensures that you are achieving the goals that you set for yourself. Now, potential dangers on a keto diet for type 2 diabetes. While there are many benefits to this diet, there are also a few potential dangers that diabetics need to be aware of. One such danger is the risk of developing ketoacidosis, which is a life-threatening condition in which the body produces too much ketones due to the lack of insulin. If you are diabetic and you're on a keto diet, make sure to talk to your doctor about your risks and how to manage them effectively. So, monitoring your type 2 diabetes on a keto diet. If you want to successfully follow a keto diet, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar levels on a regular basis. This is not only important for maintaining ketosis, but also to ensure that you do not go too low or your blood sugar levels, which can lead to some dangerous complications. Moreover, tracking your blood sugar levels can help you fine-tune your keto diet in order to achieve the best results. Research and the keto diet and diabetes. So when it comes to managing diabetes, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. However, a keto diet has been shown to be effective for managing the condition. According to a study published in the journal Diabetes Care, participants who followed a keto diet saw reductions in blood sugar levels and improved glycemic control. Furthermore, the keto diet has been shown to be safe and effective for people with diabetes and can help manage blood sugar levels without the need for medications or surgery. So if you're looking for an approach that is both effective and safe, consider following a keto diet. Again, with consultation with your own doctor. Keto diet, I think it really does offer hope to people with type 2 diabetes because it is something that you really don't want to have that's going to affect your short-term, medium and long-term health. So if you're looking for a way to manage your type 2 diabetes and achieve better blood sugar control, the ketogenic diet may be the answer you're looking for. It helps you lose weight and improve your cholesterol levels, while also helping to reduce or even eliminate your need for medications. As you may have guessed, the keto diet is not for everyone and requires a good amount of research before starting. That's why we recommend that you consult with a healthcare professional first, but if you're willing to put in the hard work, the ketogenic diet may be absolutely perfect for you. So if you let us know how you get on, if you try it and how it works out for you, because it can really make a huge difference for you. So I will wish you all good luck. Of those of you who are suffering with type 2 diabetes, go into it in much more detail. I have a lot more videos on my channel explaining about ketosis, and lots of other aspects of the keto diet. I've got 0 carb lists of foods and things like this. You need to do it in conjunction with your own healthcare professional though, but it can make and change your life completely. It really can. So for now, good health from me, David H, and bye bye for now.